That's slippery. Get that mud off the tires. Still feels tight. I didn't bring the pliers with me either. Hello. Hey. I'm not going through that part again. I'll go through where it's a little bit drier. I can't help the one to go around one time now that I'm over here. Woo! No mods, y'all. No sprocket change, no nothing. There's probably a lot of moisture left in the grass. I'm riding straight up right now, not leaning. There's probably a lot of moisture left in the grass from all the frost we had over the last few days. I can feel the bike sliding. I didn't check the tire pressure before I left. I had everything set up and I didn't check it. I can feel the sled not like I'm on a sled in the back. You go straight down here. It just feels good to be on the bike. Since I'm over here, I might as well try to build up my skill a little bit. I'm gonna make this into a practice session. If I could find neutral, that'd be nice. I'll just shut it off. Yeah, it's a little tight for the neutral right now. Let's see. Moto Jitsu. Shut up and practice. Blue belt. 3 rotations. 15-foot weave. Level 3 parking spaces. So, all the way in, all the way out. Weave up and down each parking space. 8-foot width, not skipping. 6 in a row, or 3 in each direction. So, that's going to be down here, 6 in a row. All the way in and all the way out. Probably didn't need the winter gear on today. Spring gear would have been sufficient. That reminds me, I didn't take the choke all the way off. There we go. Turn these headlights on. So we're going to practice this Moto Jitsu drill, level 3 parking spaces. We're going to start off slow, like we should. How the hell, Moto Jitsu? How the hell? Am I supposed to skip one? I'm going to have to skip one for now. skipping any after this next one. I don't know if I could do that. I'm gonna try it. I can use the clutch, I'm sure. That might help. Not easy. I think the clutch is still a little tight. This adjustment here messing you up, man. If it's not set properly. See, I can't get it to neutral. There we go. Am I really in neutral? Maybe after it warms up it'll change. That's the reason why I had to adjust it in the first place, because after it warms up, it changes. Okay. Let's examine this drill one more time. Don't skip. Don't skip. Don't skip. Okay. Damn. Is it Greg? Why'd you have to make it so difficult? I guess that's good though. I want to build up the skills, and you can't do that if it's easy. Foot down. Hey, I like this feeling. Because of practice like that, guys, it's the reason why I was able to hold on to it. I hit this slick spot up here. The bike feels really natural. Hey, there's the beautiful brown Akita. Hey. Or is it a husky? Oh shit, she's tight. I can feel it grabbing all funny. I'll have to go home and make an adjustment. Let it warm up some more, see what happens. Woo! I was leaning extra hard on purpose. Gotta test those limits. I haven't been down here for a while, where I used to always drive past and check out the bikes. My buddy, not my buddy, but I met this guy down here. Nice guy. Right down the way. You guys can see what it looks like. It's been a while. See, both bikes are out there. My tire must be low, man. I really should have checked the tire pressure because something doesn't feel right. Like this back feels a little washy. I don't keep my tire pressure really high anyway. I think normally around 22. It's grabbing like crazy. You can hear it. So we're gonna go do the inspection like we should before we take it out. And anyway, we're supposed to have 30s to 40s, around the mid 30s the rest of the week. So this won't be the last time you guys see me. Let's just say, we back! Last time there was a construction stand up here. I'm gonna take it easy. Keep the bike upright. Going on with the construction. You guys see what I have to go through on a regular basis. Are they ever going to get done? I mean, look at this. Big ass holes in the ground on a regular basis. They fill them in, dig them out, fill them in, dig them out. This is going on for about maybe 5 miles down the road. In various spots. Let's do a little traffic watching, guys. Take me out, lady. Yeah, definitely to adjust this clutch. She wants to go while we letting go. Oh yeah, look. Woo. Crazy.